up, Harris, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another protective style for you guys. It's going to be super easy and really cute, so stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a rat tail comb, a string of some sort, preferably black because you might see it. You're going to need your brush and you're going to need some hairpins. So this hairstyle is going to be really easy. So the first thing you're going to do is part your hair from ear to ear. Then you're going to put the back in a elastic, bam, and tuck it away, and then you are going to braid the front. Now the front is going to be really cute. You want to do it really nice. So the first thing I'm going to do, you could decide what side of your hair you prefer. Some people like it this way and some people like it this way. I prefer probably doing it this way. So I'll do a really deep slant. I am champion, give. I give. And then you're going to take this section and pin it away. Then we're gonna work on this side. Okay, so you're going to take one section like so. Turn this away. And we are going to brush this. Then you're going to start to braid. Like so. Just a nice loose twist. Then you're going to take another section to braid. Same thing. After you have completed braiding the front, like so, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can rock this style. The first way you can rock this style is by, you know, brushing your hair. You would secure it neatly in a ponytail.
And then what you would do is you would take these sections and crisscross it. Crisscross them over the ponytail, like so. And then tie it. If your hair can't tie, just pin it. And then take this and pin it.
So the next way that you can rock this style is to bring your hair up high. As high as you desire. String, whatever you have, and secure your hair in place. Well, brush your hair until you... So, I'm going to form the donut right now. Like a champion, no. I know. I am champion. Hope fell down on me. People gave up on me. Plans I made for years all crashed down on. Take the twist and go around. Take the twist, go around. Around, and then you could put your decorative clips. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button so that you can stay updated on all my new videos that are coming up. Make sure you click that bell so that you're notified each time. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! My hair is looking fresh.